Violence, but I'm seeing a lot of pretty ladies. Very interesting conundrum. And I have the artist behind that music. Jigger, how you doing, man?
Big love, bro.
Nice one. Bro, now you have a very interesting story as to how this song came about. Yeah. How did this song come about? Please tell me. First, you had the song, right?
Yeah.
So it's interesting how the feature came about. Yeah. Let me see. Tell me about that.
It's actually a very interesting story. I want to say big love to Kwame Eugene. Big love to him. Yeah, God bless him so much. It all started when I met him at work. He came over to have dinner at the restaurant I work in, Country Club.
Okay.
Yeah, so I managed to get to him. Like,
okay.
Yeah, it wasn't really easy, but I tried. Yeah, so I got to him. I told him to listen to me.
Wow.
Yeah, and he did. I was so grateful that night.
So he listened?
Yeah, he did. He listened to me, and he promised me he was going to do something with me.
Okay, so I'm seeing the video.
Yeah.
And this was the day you met him. Was that the day? Was that the night? Or
no.
Was this like, tell me about the video on the side.
All right. This very video came after I saw him. Yeah, but I couldn't get close to him that day.
Okay.
Yeah, he came to do a video shoot. They came to shoot a video at the residence, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw him, but I couldn't get close to him that day.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was just there, and I was like, yo. I was even talking to my colleagues at work, like, yo, I get this vibe. How about I try to reach out to Rockstar and beg him for a verse on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and, you know, they put energy in me, so I said, okay, let's do this. So we got a phone. Shouts to Martin. He recorded that video.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was just doing an acapella of it.
Yeah.
You know,
okay,
you could see.
Okay.
I was just doing an acapella of it, and we did the video. I posted it, asking people to help me tag him.
Oh, so you posted the video online because you couldn't reach Kwame.
So I asked people to help me tag him to, you know, help me with the verse, because I believe it was going to change my life, you know. And yeah, he's done it. So hopefully he saw the video. He came back for dinner.
Oh, so that's when the dinner story came about.
Yeah, he came back for dinner, and I had to reach to him.
So did he see the online like comments and stuff?
He saw it. After he told me he saw it.
Okay.
Yeah, but he didn't really know I was the one.
Oh.
So I got back to him.
So he didn't reply online?
He saw it. He saw it. He did the video. He did the video.
Oh, so he did this video?
Yeah, that was the video.
But he didn't know it was you.
He didn't, when he came, you know, I was same thing in the uniform. That day, I took off the petticoat. You see, I took off the petticoat and the tie and stuff. And I even changed my hairstyle.
Yeah.
So it was very hard to recognize me. So I got to him, pleaded with him to listen to me. And after, I told him I was the guy who did the video, and he replied to. And was like, yo, I'm going to help you, yeah? I'm going to do the verse with you. He gave me a date to come over to his house.
What?
Straight.
Bro, that's crazy.
I pulled over and...
Were you like some disbelief, like, is this really happening?
I didn't believe, like, yo, this rockstar we're talking about.
Yeah.
Rockstar, someone I've been seeing on TV.
Yes.
Growing up from the north, Upper East, Navrongo, in a small community.
Now he says he wants to work with you.
It was unbelievable.
But you know, I don't know if you've given yourself any credit for this. I don't know if anybody out there gives you credit for this. But the thing is, you took a chance. If you didn't take a chance, this would never have happened.
Absolutely.
You know, sometimes in life, right, we're so scared to just try. You know, I heard this thing yesterday, and I think it's going to live with me for the rest of my life. The best ability is availability. Even if you don't have the talent, you know, if you have the passion, you know, if you're hungry for it, if you make yourself available. Because like being a very good footballer, if you're always injured, how are you going to play soccer, right? But coaches like players who are consistent, who are healthy. So, bro, I think you have to give yourself credit because you took a chance and it worked out.
He said the same thing to me.
Right? You know, great minds.
He said the same thing to me.
How long after this did you guys shoot the video?
The video was shot 3 days after the song was recorded.
No.
Because he was just willing to do this for me.
Wow, 3 days.
I couldn't just believe everything that was
happening. Are you on a record label? Are you an independent artist?
I'm with Claire Road Music Group.
Okay.
I'm with Claire Road Music Group.
The reason why I'm asking is, you know, with an opportunity like this now, I'm quite sure, because I know some people work there. They're going to nurture you and take care of you, right? And take advantage of this space, because this is a big blessing. And I'm sure you know this.
They're doing really dope for me, and I appreciate it.
I mean, I think I know the answer to this, but let me just ask, did he take any funding from you? Was he demanding anything from you to any extent, as in Kwame?
Not even a dime.
Wow. I mean, I'm not surprised.
Not even a dime.
Kwame took nothing from you for this.
He didn't even talk about something close to that.
Wow.
Today.
That's big. Because getting him is difficult.
Very difficult. Very, very difficult. I know. Sometimes I just sit back and I just get speechless of what you say, because it's just dope. Like, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
How it all came about.
Yeah.
You know.
It's a very wonderful story.
Very, very
and again, I'm very happy you took advantage of it. And please live with this. You know, the best ability is availability. Just make yourself available. Just show up. It may not always work out the way we want. Because I don't know if maybe you've reached out to other artists before. You've probably tried, you know, but this worked out. And that's one thing we forget about great people. They try. But we just remember the one time it worked. Yeah. But they put in so much work for it together. Yeah. So I'm very proud of you. Keep doing your thing. I hope your label, you know, takes care of you, because I know they've taken care of other artists too. Do you want to tell your fans anything? You know, people appreciate you. People are getting to know you for the first time.
They've showed me love from day one.
Nice one.
They helped me tag him. They made sure he saw the video I did.
Nice one.
Now they're streaming my music. You know, I'm getting DMs from them, like telling me to keep going, like a whole lot. I really want to say big love to them and thank you to them.
I mean, you can't work at the restaurant again, can you?
Yeah, that's another thing. He made me quit.
I mean, I'm not surprised, because you get there and we're like, bro, I like you said, like, you won't be able to work, right? So I get that. I get that.
Yeah, I was mixologist there, a bartender.
Okay.
Yeah.
A mixologist.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just do the drinks thing.
Yeah. That's cool.
That's where the Jigger came from.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, that's where the Jigger came from.
Yeah,
Mo Jigger.
You know, work with the Jigger, you know.
So you can do like the cup flips and stuff. Like, can you do
Not really hard.
Okay, but again. Bro, man. So the song's on all platforms. People can find it.
Yeah, it's on all
They
platforms.
can buy it. Charlie, shouts to you, man. Shouts to you, man. It's a very interesting story. I can't wait to hear more music for you. And in that light, we're going to hear more music from you, right?
Go on.
Okay, more music. More music. And another thing, please hold on to that. I'm sure you are, but please hold on to that relationship with someone like Kwame, you know, because he's already big in the industry. You know, he's already blazed the trail. And I know you're not going to take that relationship for granted. You know, I like the appreciation in your voice and the honesty too. Thank you, man. Thank you. Please, this is your home. Come through anytime. Bring music anytime. We're here to support you 100%. Right? Please. When you hear stories like this, you know, they can only inspire you. And I'm going to say a lot of times now, because I like to latch onto things, right? The best ability is availability. You know, just make yourself available. You know, it takes little, small, incremental steps that make big opportunities what they are. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm sure stories like this are going to inspire you. And I can't wait to have any artist who's watching this here on the show. Yes, have a very wonderful afternoon. Enjoy this.
Yeah.